If you want to strike the perfect balance between looking put together and spending hours trying to fix your makeup mistakes, here are 8 simple solutions to get you started. We've covered some makeup mistakes more in detail pertaining to every skin type in a document for you. To access it, just leave mistake in the comments below. We can't stress enough on the importance of skin prep. If you have an oily or combination skin type, it's important to mattify the skin, especially the T-zone, using a good silicone-based primer to keep excess oils at bay and your foundation in place all day long. How do I find my right foundation match is probably the most asked question on our list. Swatching shades on your wrist is never going to help, and you'll probably end up looking like an Oompa Loompa. To avoid this, swipe a few shades onto your jawline to find your perfect match, and then use a stippling brush to buff it into your skin to achieve a flawless base. Makeup has no boundaries when it comes to age, but it's essential to change up your makeup products to seamlessly cover those pesky fine lines. Keep your makeup as light and natural as possible by using cream bronzers and blushes that easily blend into your skin with a brush or a sponge without seeping into any of the wrinkles. Smooth skin for the win. We all love our highlighters, but being heavy-handed with these pigmented products can leave you looking like a disco ball. Instead, identify the areas on your face that need to be highlighted: the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, brow bone, and inner corner. Lightly dust on the powder and you'll be left with a beautiful glow from within. The most common mistake made by us women when it comes to eye makeup is overloading the eye with shimmer. To get beautifully defined eyes, use a matte transition shade to map out the crease. Avoid putting on a thick liner. Instead, use a product with a fine tip to draw a thin and even wing. If you want long and voluminous lashes, mascara is your best friend. But there are some strict no-nos when it comes to technique. Never pump your mascara, as this lets in bacteria and dries out the product, making your lashes flaky and lumpy. Wipe off the excess product from the wand onto the brim of the tube, and using a wiggle roll motion, go through your lashes evenly. Smudge-proof liquid lipsticks are definitely winners in the race for long wear products, but at the same time can get extremely dry and flaky if you don't follow a good lip care routine. This perfect DIY mix of honey and sugar can be used to exfoliate the lips and get rid of any dry skin, while a lip balm can be used to nourish them. Then, go in with your favorite liquid lip, using the wand to draw a clear outline, and then flipping it around, fill in the lips for that perfect pout. Sleeping with a full face of makeup on is one of the biggest faux pas in the beauty world. And to be honest, who wants to wake up with panda eyes and a big zit the next morning? Before you hit the sack, do use 2 cotton pads dipped in makeup remover and hold them against your eyes for a few seconds before you gently swipe off the mascara. For the rest of your face, always go in upward motions to thoroughly cleanse without scrubbing the face and leaving behind wrinkles. We hope this video helps you correct some of your everyday makeup mistakes with ease. If you have any funny makeup stories that left you looking less than perfect, do leave them behind in the comments below to spread a little cheer. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.